Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share to you another breakfast idea that is easy to make, healthy, and for sure your family would love. We are going to make a fluffy oatmeal banana pancake. In here in my blender, you'll see I already have a powder. That is the oatmeal powder, homemade oatmeal powder. That was my leftover last time I made oatmeal pancake. We make this pancake a lot, guys. My kids loves this. So right now I'm adding a little bit more instant oatmeal because I think the oatmeal powder that I already have is not enough for the recipe that I'm going to make. So if you do not have a ready-made oatmeal powder, just blend an instant oatmeal or put it in a food processor and there you have it, oatmeal powder. I don't have a food processor, guys, so I always use my blender, blending dry ingredients, and it works just fine. So now we're going to measure the oatmeal powder that we just made to see how much we have, just for reference, guys, because basically this recipe I do not have a measurement or exact measurement. I just eyeballed everything just based on how I feel the consistency should be right for a pancake. So the oatmeal powder that we have is approximately 1 cup and 1/4. I transfer the oatmeal powder back to the blender so that I can use the bowl for smashing the banana. I have this banana that is from the freezer. I defrosted it, guys, before smashing, otherwise you won't be able to smash it, obviously. Yeah, so anyway, I am only going to use one banana here. Yeah, so this is how I mash the banana. I use the wire whisk and my wire whisk is broken. Yeah, and then we are going to add 1 egg and beat it together until fully combined. Now we are going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. This measurement, guys, of sugar is just right for this recipe. So same process, just mix until fully combined. And then, guys, here you'll see I am going to add the milk. Also the milk, I didn't measure it, I just eyeballed it. Approximately that was like 1/2 cup, probably, we'll see. So after adding the milk, we then add our dry ingredients, the 1 cup and 1/4 approximately oatmeal powder, and then 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Then a little bit of salt. I also just eyeball the salt, guys. You just go with how you feel about the salt. For the baking soda, I would say 1/4 teaspoon, and for the baking powder, 2 teaspoons. Again, the process of mix until it is fully combined. It is a little bit dry, as you can see, so we're gonna add a little bit more milk, about 2 tablespoons. Don't be afraid, guys, to add a little bit more until you are satisfied with the consistency of your batter. So now we are going to add the melted butter. The melted butter, guys, is going to make our pancake soft and fluffy. Without butter, this is going to be a little bit like hard, not fluffy. Yeah, so as you can see, I have added a little bit more milk, maybe 1 tablespoon. Yeah, so don't be afraid, okay, just little at a time. Yeah, so don't add like a lot at once, otherwise it would be hard to adjust the consistency, you know. So it's rather be adjusting the liquid than adjusting the powder or the dry ingredients, right? So now after that, as you can see, my pan is already hot, smoking, but not super duper smoky, guys, okay? Otherwise, once the batter drop into the pan, it's gonna burn right away. So as you can see, our batter is just the right consistency. It's not runny and it's also not super dry. Okay, so it's up to you, guys. You can adjust the consistency of your batter. If you want it a little bit runny, then you can add maybe 1 or 2 more tablespoons of milk. About a minute until you'll see bubbles appear on top. Then it's the fun time, flipping time. As you can see, my pan is still like smoky hot, but it's not really, guys. As you can see, we got a perfect brown pancake. I cook each side, guys, about 1 minute and a half to 2, or it depends on how hot is your pan. If your pan is way too hot, then it's gonna like brown the pancake so quick but raw inside. So make sure it has like it's more than a minute before you flip. Okay, 1 minute approximately each side. So here we have it, guys. So beautiful, fluffy oatmeal banana pancake. So delicious. Love this, love this so much. So try this, guys, and you'll see. And let me know in the comment below how it goes. Look at the texture, guys. It is so soft and fluffy. So this is how I serve this to my family, guys. It's with fruit, any fruits will do, and protein. You see my protein, my egg is still wiggly. It is medium rare, but for my kids, it has to be done or well done. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not my subscriber yet, please subscribe, support my channel. Thank you so much. And please don't forget to hit like, share, and click the bell notification so that you will get notified every time I have a new upload. Thank you so much. Bye bye.